Hey, Dino here and welcome back to GTA GT. So today's the day I get the oil change. I'm going to take the car to Ford, we're going to do an oil change, and they're also going to put the PP1 tires back, the performance pack tires. So that's actually, I'm really excited about that. I finally get rid of the winter tires and I put the performance tires back on. So it's going to be exciting too and interesting because we're going to find out if the tick comes back. So if you haven't already watched my previous video that I put on a couple of days ago, the video was about how I don't have an engine tick anymore because I used 5W30 full synthetic Pennzoil, race approved, and then in combination with Rizlone, which is an engine additive that I bought at Canadian Tire, and my car hasn't ticked in months. It's been 3 months, no tick. So I'm thinking the car's gonna tick again with the fresh oil. But if it does, I already have a bottle of Rizlone ready to put back in there. So we'll see what happens. I'll bring it in, and right after the oil change, I'll cold start it, I'll have the camera on, and we'll see what the car sounds like. We'll see if it ticks again. I hope it doesn't, of course. Who knows, maybe the treatment, the Rizlone, maybe it got rid of the tick altogether. But truth be told, if it doesn't tick, what I think that would mean is that there's still residue on the moving parts of the engine that's still there. And that's probably why the car wouldn't tick. Or it might tick like crazy again. We'll see. Okay, so I'm at the Ford dealership just waiting for my car. Oil change and tire swap. Just looking around. Check this out. That's just like mine. Except this one's a California special. Very nice. Oh, nice rims. Oh, it's got the scoop. I'm gonna do that to mine. I'm gonna put scoops on it. Side scoops. I really do like the rims. How much is this one? $63,000. Automatic. Very nice. Okay, here's all the Mustangs. There's a black one. This one's an EcoBoost. Here's a GT. Oh, this one's nice. There's a bunch of convertibles. More convertibles. Oh, here's a nice 5.0. Nice gray color. There you go. Standard. No digital dash. Yeah. Bart took a shit. Staff only. This one's a demo. Here's a nice convertible 5.0, all blacked out. Gray with the blackout package. Very nice. Oh, it's thick too. No digital dash. EcoBoost, EcoBoost. Here's a nice GT convertible. Wow, it's like a graphite. Beautiful color. Again, no digital dash. Standard. Nice. I love the automatic, but I wish I had the standard version too. It'd be nice to have both. Wow, I'm seeing something really cool. Look at that. A Shelby 350. This is a customer's car, so I won't get close to it. Beautiful. Hey, look at the spoiler. Same exact spoiler as mine. Wow, interesting. I guess my spoiler is a Shelby replica spoiler. Nice color. You know what it's missing? It's missing racing stripes. A Shelby GT350 needs to have racing stripes, in my opinion. What a beautiful car. She's a beauty. Got the car back. So, here we go. To tick or not to tick? That is the question. Let's listen to it, see if we hear a tick. Got the wheels back, that's nice. Ooh, I gotta clean them though, they're so dirty. So far the car sounds really good. No ticks so far. Last time I went through this, the car was ticking like crazy. And it was ticking instantly. Instant ticks. Okay, here we go. It just wrapped down. Wow, no tick whatsoever. That is amazing. So what I'll do is I'll drive home and then I'll check it again. Go for a little drive and then see if it starts ticking or not. Wow, here's that nasty stone chip. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I'll probably make a video on fixing the stone chips. The car's got a few of them. That's the biggest one. Okay, let's go home. Well, it's really nice out, so I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna go home topless. Okay, just got home. Roof down for the first time this year. Beautiful drive. And here we go. Is the car ticking or not ticking? Oh, I love the way it looks with the roof down. Let's listen to the car. Okay, let's listen. No tick. Let's check out the driver's side. Put it right underneath. absolutely no tick. Car sounds amazing. But the car does need a good clean. Not a car wash. A good scrub. Well, I'm happy to say, after my second oil change and after the Rizlone, the engine additive, still no tick. And the car's been driven hard. I mean, I drive it through the winter. Okay, well, that's it for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. More videos coming up. I'm going to install an X-pipe. And I'm going to do it right here on my driveway. I'll crawl under the car. And I'll do the X-pipe. I'll install it myself. That'll be interesting. We'll see what happens. Okay. Always remember to enjoy your car, but always be safe. Ciao.